This is a Power BI session, demo session. And there are two demo classes. And first demo, it was yesterday. 20 minutes I give an introduction. And 40 minutes I explain types of data, types of IT applications, types of business intelligence applications, MS BI versus Power BI versus Azure BI, and what is Microsoft Fabric, and Power BI components. So this is a part I explained last class, and which is very important, I told you. And without this, please do not start your Power BI learning. If you thrive towards Power BI without knowing this, meaningless. Visualization, drag and drop, anybody can do. Millions of videos in the YouTube and many places. So anybody can do. But subject is important. And if you want to learn subject, this is the way you should start. That's why I given yesterday. Now, second demo today, 10 minutes, I'll give you the recap of yesterday's part. And who all joined today, please do not feel panic. I'll give you the demo video and demo documents. First demo and second demo both. And next 15 minutes, I'll explain you Power BI components, Power BI concepts, Power BI desktop software requirements, simply installation part, and Power BI one examples. And then simple example. I'm not telling complex example, but if you want to see complex practices and all, and you can go to YouTube or you can ping me on my mobile number. I'll be sharing some complex examples, what I explained. How depth I'm going to explain. So this is all about two demo sessions. From tomorrow at 7 p.m., we have regular classes. From tomorrow. So tomorrow is a confirmation class. To identify how many people confirming to resume from Monday. Right. Let me go for a recap, demo recap. First demo recap. So my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number, and this is my call timing. And I'm working as a lead consultant. Basics to advanced training, and 50 to 60 hours, the training is required. Very detailed training from basics to advanced. You must have a lot of patience to attend all the sessions and grab maximum subset. Sir, what is the advantage of learning these many hours? Complete Power BI grip you will get. So you are suitable for any kind of interview and you can work in any kind of project. Daily 1 hour only session. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. So my 1 hour equal to 2 to 3 hours practice for you. So if you delay two days, then little bit hectic for you on the next day. And weekly Monday to Friday classes, and monthly 2 Saturdays you will be having sessions. Class mode online available, offline available, both available for class. Now, Institute provides daily live class videos till 1.5 years. Daily live class video till 1.5 years. Communication, your WhatsApp and mails. Very effectively we use WhatsApp. And materials theory, materials practical, everything you receive. Theory, practical material. Mock interviews conducted, FAQs discussed. Almost for every topic, we discuss FAQs. In the market, there are two types of databases, normal database, SQL sessions. So normal database and cube database. I will cover normal database, SQL classes for 4 hours. But this 4 hours, I'm not covering Power BI 9 topics. Sorry, SQL 9 topics. My recommendation, learn whole course, wherever you want to learn. Even we offer SQL and database classes, you can learn.
Recording in progress.
Apart from outside, your wish. But the 4 hours, whatever I'm going to take, very valuable. How do we use database concepts and database optimization methods in Power BI? I will explain in the 4 hours. So meaningfully, we will spend the time for 4 hours to explain database related stuff. and 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies. You can ask me why only SQL you're talking about, sir. Many companies using SQL, for many companies using databases as part of their storage. So I'm explaining database concepts for 4 hours so that you can use database data in Power BI. And the training objective, interview working perspective, interview suitable, certification coverage 70 to 80%, but more you can collect dumps from me. I will give you the dumps freely. Even certification guidance also free for you in case you want to write the certification. It's not compulsory. Just for knowledge, I'm telling you. And if you are keeping more than 5 years of experience, 6 years of experience, it is always an advantage. And you are a senior resource. You want to generate your own reports, then go to this. Sorry, my training is good. You are a senior resource and you want to generate your own reports. After this training, you will be in a position to do it. And any graduate is eligible, and Power BI is a low-code component, not fully graphical. And you can try as a technical resource. You can try as a technical and functional resource. Then you can try in data science side as well. So these two, technical report developer, BI developer, and data analyst, business analyst, both are different, technical and functional. Data scientist, along with other components like Python, Spark, etc. But I recommend you learn Power BI plus SQL. More opportunities on this. Are you keeping more than 6 years, 7 years of experience in IT, or more than 5 years? Then add on one component, your wish. But I told you last class, what is the best recommended component for add-on? Next. So last class I explained you what I'm going to cover in the next 2 months. Project environment concepts, warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental, Agile methodology, GitHub. Projects and case studies, 2 near real-time projects with multiple case studies. Database and SQL knowledge for 3 to 4 hours. But my recommendation, learn whole course and then prioritize 9 topics. And MSBA SSA's tablet cube classes for 2 hours. And job trials, resume preparation, FAQs, and mock interviews. And Power BI subject side, cloud and on-premises. Both I'm covering. See, this is cloud components, on-premises components I'm covering. Also, Power Apps, Power Automate 2 hours understanding. Okay, this is a subject I'm covering in next 2 months. Projects and environment subject as well as Power BI subject. This all I explained yesterday very in detail. This is just recap. Good theory, practical material provided. Live class videos also shared. Complete practical on the training. Except yesterday, the training is complete practical only. Resume preparation sessions I will conduct. And you will be having very good interaction with me during the classes and after the classes. I'm providing wonderful support to students. And one WhatsApp group is created. And we have students for the last 8 to 9 years. And coming to opportunities as a technical resource, you want to try as a BA developer or report developer, less than 5 years. First opportunity, Power BI, DAX, SQL. It is a low-code language in Power BI. Low-code language in the Power BI. And this plus SQL, database language. 90% opportunities on this. I recommend you first learn this combination better. Next. Power BI support resource. Power BI admin. Power BI plus MSBI. SSIS, ASRS. Power BI plus Tableau or ClickView. Power BI plus Azure ADF for data lake. Power BI plus Synapse plus Databricks. These are other combinations where you will see. My course is good enough, dedicated if you want to try on this and this. Admin 90% covered here. Administrator role. Administrator role. Next, senior resources. More than 5 years if you want to try. Power BI modeler, Power BI designer, Power BI specialist, architect available. But by learning, you cannot try. You must have 1 or 2 projects end-to-end implementation, then only you can work. So these are the opportunities I given very in detail explanation last class. And we created a folder last class. This was a folder I given access to many people. Many people I given access who all provided email ID. And today video is also in the same folder. And our training is very systematic training. So in this area, you find the documents. First one, demo understanding document. Second one, I will go for a practice, the practice exercise document. So this is a file. Today we'll practice family expenses file. I'm giving you for your practice. Next, how to practice step by step a material. So let's go to this, guys. And here you'll find the documents and all. Along with the video, kindly go through. For every batch, every day we will give the same way. This is 7 o'clock batch, 7 a.m. So every day. So now DAX sessions are going on. These are all the DAX sessions so far completed further. So day 1 onwards, you will find the videos. There are many people purchasing our videos as well. So when you purchase videos, you'll get the access on this. So in this, everything available you can see. And once the session is completed, you will be notified in the group. For example, 9 o'clock session, 9 a.m. Offline, online, both available. Every day, once the video plays, you will receive a message. Video plays for so-and-so RLS case study practice, very important today. And this was yesterday. Video plays for so-and-so, app creation and browse by many managers. This is a document. Everything properly informed in the WhatsApp. Very systematic training. Online, offline, both available for us. Right. Guys, who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. Shall we? No. No. And I told you yesterday, we get opportunities from the companies and we inform for the students also. As we have some reputation, we'll get opportunities from the companies also. And this is our opportunities group. We'll place opportunities here. And we have very good success rate in the market, I told you. Very good success rate. And I'll show you live mails as well, whether we get opportunities or not. This indicates the training institute having some training requirement recently. Hi, Vinay, as discussed, we need a fresher requirement. Many guys, not one, JD, job description for Power BI, job location of the department. That is companies will approach us. So that is sufficient, guys. Now, coming to yesterday content, what I covered after this introduction. So this is a part I explained for 40 minutes yesterday. How many types of data available, IT applications available, types of BI applications and history of BI, what is Power BI, why Power BI a part of Power Platform, and what is Fabric, why Power BI a part of Fabric. This I explained. And today I directly start with Power BI. I request everyone to go to yesterday's video for detailed understanding of this. And I will start from Power BI today. Is it okay with everyone? Anyone wants to ask any questions? Online, offline people?
About the certifications, we have only PL 300 certification, or that is the basic one?
Yeah, that is a basic one, important one.
Okay. And are there any senior level certifications for this, or on
Pardon?
any senior level certifications are there, or
No, only one.
only one? Okay.
Only for visualization and Power BI data model, only one examination.
Okay.
Any more questions from anyone before I start up today's part? I'll start up fresh part today. No questions? Shall I continue?
Yes, please.
Power BI, Tableau, SSRS, ClickView, that is 45 tools available, reporting tools. But each and every tool has their own advantages and drawbacks. Similar to mobiles in the market, HTC, OnePlus, Apple, Oppo, and many phones available, Vivo. But every phone has their own advantages and drawbacks. But all for communication. Right, sir? So, what is Power BI? I told you, simple definition. Adding. Everyone can understand. No need of yesterday's part. Listen to it fresh. Adding power to existing BI. It is a process of converting normal data into decision making data. Normal data into decision making. And more technically, if you want to conclude, it's a low code self-service B application. Low code self-service B application with cloud and on-premise supporting. Reporting and visualization tool. Reporting and visualization. Cloud and on-premises support for visualization. No. Process to generate reports and dashboards from data. So it's a low code application, first point. Self-service B application, second point. End-to-end process it will do. Cloud supportive, third point. On-premises, fourth point. Report and dashboard generation, fifth point. From data is a sixth point. So this is a definition given by Microsoft. And simply in the Power BI, input is data. Output is report or dashboard. Input is data. Output is report or dashboard. So in Power BI, we work on any type of data and generate report or dashboard. And today I will show you by taking some sample data and generating a simple report. And in my class, try to understand the process what I'm explaining. Don't bother about the complexity of example. Complex examples we can see later. In this demo part, beginners available, non-IT people available, different people available. So I need to compensate everyone. So I will explain a proper process. Follow that. Ignore about the complexity. I'm covering projects, case studies. So how can we cover without taking complex process and complex implementations? 100% I cover, don't worry. In the regular classes. Enjoy the demo as a demo only. Right. As I told you, reporting. Then how many types of reporting available in IT? Very important, focus. Why should I go for Power BI reporting? Why people are going? In the IT industry, first type reporting is non-paginated reporting. Non-paginated, which means we have multiple visuals and data is not divided into multiple pages. See, multiple visuals available. If you click on 17 data, 18 data, it's not divided into multiple pages. This is called advanced reporting and possible by using Power BI desktop. There's a component called Power BI desktop. By using this, we will construct this. Second one, paginated report. Like this. Record by record. Sorry. Set of records in one page. Set of records in another page. Data is divided into multiple pages. Each page contains set of records and each page is printable. The first page, if you click on it, next page, click on it, next page. And every page having some number of records. Example, you have 200 records. Each page I require 20 records, need 10 pages. This is very old reporting process or legacy reporting process, and we call it as paginated reporting. All reporting tools does this. Even Power BI level, report builder component available to do this operation. And nowadays, all companies asking about this. We need candidates or resources with a non-paginated report experience like this and paginated report experience like this. If you look at job descriptions after the session, you'll find both. Non-paginated, paginated. Both Power BI support. Able to understand what is non-paginated, what is paginated? Here data not divided into pages, but here data divided into pages. And each page is printable. Here a whole page we can take a print, but no use of it. It is good for browsing. It's good for more analysis. Yep. I request everyone who just joined, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number to get demo videos and documents. I am also giving my contact number. Kindly call me on this number. Yesterday, more than 15 people called me. Thank you so much. Some people for guidance, some people for doubts. Right, sir. Coming to Power BI components. How many components available and how many concepts available? Power BI has 8 components and 4 concepts. First one, I told you cloud. Cloud it support. Cloud level, Power BI desktop is the first component we use, which is for report development. And second one, the cloud report, if you want to share to customers, we require cloud server. There's a cloud server, or we call it as a service, and we'll move the report to this and share to customers. Similarly, on-premises, report development, report server desktop. And we will move to local server, and then customers will come into the picture. So cloud level, this is a process. On-premises level, this is a process. Now, other components. Power BI report builder to develop paginated reports, the earlier reports. And Power BI embedding. Once your report is created, you want to place in social media, web, blog, in many areas. That concept come under embedding. So this is 6th component in Power BI. 7th component. You don't like Power BI visuals and you want to generate own visuals. Power BI developer. Gateway. It will provide communication between on-premises to cloud. From your on-premises to cloud, communication provided using gateway. These are the 8 components available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If anyone asks, tell me the number of components in Power BI. These are the 8 components. And this is for the development, report development, advanced reporting. And this is also for report development, advanced reporting. 97% companies use this only. And 90% companies using this process only. Only 3% people and 10% companies follow this. But 90% cloud only. And today I will explain about Power BI desktop, which will generate report. Shall I? This more detailed explanation I will give you in the regular class. More explanation. And today I will explain you this component to show how do we develop a report. Any questions? The report is same, but the component is different. The tool is different. No. Features also different. Report is same. I say same report, but features also different. In this desktop, more features you find. In this desktop, you find less features. If both are same, then who will go for on-premises cloud? Everyone will go for on-premises. No, that's what I'm telling you. Report same in the sense if more features available, the report looks different. If less features available, the report looks different. Got my point? If features are different, automatic report is different. Next, I will explain about this concept areas. Power BI desktop. So you have some data. This is my personal data. In the lockdown period, I note down my transactions. I kept my transactions every day. Books, so and so area, location. And food, so and so area, location, how much money I spent. Like this I mentioned. This data is called transactional data because my daily data, my daily transactions, I want to convert like this, easy, understandable way. Like year, month available. If I select year and month, respect to year and month data, it has to show in a particular year and month, how much money I spent, average money I spent, and maximum amount I spent, and minimum amount. Also, in the year and month category, or year and month, top spending, bottom spending. In year and month, which location I traveled most, and what are the locations I traveled. Like this analytical information report I want to create. A simple Power BI desktop is sufficient to convert this data to this. This tool, okay, but how it works? So it is the process it will implement. This desktop will implement this process. What is the process? This is called data. Now first, this tool will bring the data first step. Second, if required, transformations, data changes it will do if it is not in proper shape. This is for data shaping. Take the data, shape the data. Relationship. If multiple tables available, they related to each other. Relationship. If you don't establish relationship, you cannot use multiple tables in a single visible. So must and should relationships required. Fourth one, if someone wants security, I mentioned security. Only authorized people can access. This is security. Finally, visuals. And then you will get business intelligence data, that is this. So your data process through these many steps to create like this. It's a fixed process, daily uses. So after 2 days, you feel very bored about this process. Today, you might feel like what is happening here, but daily we use the same. Any report you want to construct, so this is a process. Sir, do we perform all the 5 steps? No. Extraction compulsory, visualization compulsory. These two compulsory. And these 3 optional. Those 2 compulsory and these 3 optional. If situation required shaping, yes. Situation required relationships, situation required security, yes. Otherwise, 1 and 5 are compulsory. Then how do we install this? How do we implement these steps? So what is the software? Desktop. Power BI desktop. Then what is desktop? The area where we do operations graphically. Windows desktop, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop, etc. These are all the desktops. Power BI desktop, Power BI graphical operations area. And the word power indicate adding more features. BA indicate takes the data, generate reports and dashboards. BA. Desktop indicate graphical operations area. So 3 words combination is Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop. Simply graphical operations area to generate reports. Next, input to this desktop, any data, anywhere. Output from the desktop document, which will contain report information, data information both. So you will get a document, report information, data information both. Requirements. Operating system. Windows 10 or above required to work on it for better experience. For few, Power BI desktop support 8.1 or earlier. RAM minimum 2 GB. Process speed minimum 1.5 GHz. Minimum. Display orientation. This is the one. Minimum 2K resolution. Landscape orientation. Yeah, remaining depending on the situation. But the minimal requirements are these three. More I will tell you in tomorrow's session. Desktop level, but normal operating system with current available version, 2 GB RAM, process speed, very general requirements. This software, these later I will explain. Then how do we download? See guys, if you want to download, cloud desktop, if you want to download, two ways available. Google it and download, very routine. Again, it has two options. Normal Microsoft download from the Microsoft Store with Power BI account. Google it download with Power BI account. Second one, advanced download, no account. I'll give you Power BI account in the regular class, so you can use it for your practice. Advanced download right now, I will do it. Tomorrow, I will give you Power BI account for your practice, cloud account. And the best recommended installation is go to Power BI Cloud. This is called Power BI Cloud. Download from Power BI Cloud. This you will see tomorrow in our regular class. But today I will explain about Google it, advanced download because no account is required. Shall I? So simple Google it. Power BI. Power BI desktop download. Download. Simple and easy. Now, it will show you the desktop description. The version, date published, file name, file size, and desktop description, desktop points, system requirements, system requirements, and the server system, normal system, installation instructions. Don't ask anyone about the installation process. Always go to this area. Here you will find it. Google it. And you want to download, click download. There are two softwares available. This is for 32-bit machine software. This is for 64-bit machine software. So which one we need to download? Go to your system requirements or system setup, verify the type, accordingly download. And let me show you. Click search, sysinfo. Even you can go to this PC properties also. This PC properties are sysinfo. Click on this. And here you will find 64-bit PC. So my machine is 64-bit PC. So I have to go to software and download 64-bit only. This one. Once downloaded, it looks like this. I'm not downloading now. I already downloaded. Even last class also downloaded. Go to download. So this is the way it will be downloaded. Now go to the software, click next, next, finish. But in between it will ask you C drive or D drive, where do you want to install? Mention it. And also ask one more, I accept license in terms. Also drive and this. Later, it will install an icon in the desktop. This was the icon. Like this, it will install. So click on it or open it. Search and open also possible. Here also possible, here also possible. So tool ready. Now data required. Where is the data? I just showed my data in this area. Guys, this is my Excel data I already given in the Google Drive level. Download and practice. This is my data. Next. Now, data also ready. So go to this. Guys, once again, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room in case not provided. And I am also giving my contact number. Please do reach out to me for your queries, questions, career guidance, etc. Usually in the demo level, maximum people discuss with me over phone. So kindly utilize that option. Even after the demo also, or whenever you want to talk to me, call me on this number. The session will run till 8:15 p.m. Kindly stay tuned. Sharp 8:15 p.m. I will close it. Stay tuned. And look at the process, how I'm explaining. Standard process. So click on the software first. This is the first step. This is the first screen. Home, blank report. Home, Excel. Home, SQL Server. That means from all these places, we can bring the data. From all the places, we can bring the data, generate a report. Many sources. And this is to open existing report. And this is to sign out because I already signed in. So sign out. And options and settings to change the language of this. I don't like English language. I want Hindi language, Chinese language, Japanese language. You can change it. And about this desktop, when was installed, who installed, if you want to see, go to about. So these are the settings. Let me go to home and blank report. Now click on this or please see this. Let me brief this window quickly. This is called quick saving, undo, redo, title of the application. This is title. And this is the account I already connected. Tomorrow I will give you the Power BI account for your practice. This is minimizing, this is maximizing, and this is closing. And this is called menu tabs. And right now home is underlined. And these are all home options, home ribbon options. And these are called views. I maintain little speed, kindly cooperate because demo session. But regular class, The same screen I will explain for 1 hour. This screen, in the regular class, I explain for 1 hour. But we don't have that much of time. So I maintain little speed. And this is report view. So here only the visuals we will take, data we will take. And this is grid view. Some people say table view, table data you can see. And this is called modeling view. Some people say relationship view. First, this is the main interface. And every day you work on the same interface. Every day. And this is DAX query view. And this is web view. And this is mobile view. And this is called as report canvas. This area. And in this report canvas, for the page 1 available, similarly click plus for multiple pages. Plus. And this is called as pane manager. An important one, this is the one, we call it as data set area. Queries or tables, columns, etc. available only in this area. And right now, whatever you are able to see, this is called visualization pane. And this is called filter pane. So filter options. And visualization options or visualization or visuals and fill pane manager. In this area, system will show you storage mode, import, direct query, connect live, etc. options. When mixed mode also it will show here. So these are the main important areas. Once again, this is called ribbon, menu tabs. These are called views. And these are called panes and pane manager. And this is called report canvas. And this is area where we have pages. And report people accessing the web, construct on this. Report people accessing on the mobile, construct on this. So these are the different settings available. Right, sir. Now I will go. First one, BA process. I will write the BA process. The same process we follow for every report. You have data, for example, extraction is the first part. Transformation is the second part. Daily you work on the same. What are applicable will take it for every report. Today you might feel something fishy, but daily you use the same. To understand the process, how I'm explaining, and look at my expertise level. So this 1 and 5 compulsory. What are compulsory? 1 and 5. 2, 3, 4 optional. That's why I told you. Transformation is for the shaping. Modeling for relationships. Security for protection. But where do you see this? Guys, the first area is here. Get data area. Extract. Second area, transformation area. And third area, this is the area. Fourth area, relationships area, modeling. Fifth area, this is the area. So these 5 areas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 in this area, very nearby. This is the beauty of Power BI and everyone trying to use Power BI for this purpose. All in a single area, sorry, nearby areas. Next. First, get data. Click on it. What is this? Excel workbook. And if you want to bring it from database, click on it, database. But we will see in the class level Excel, database, Cube, many sources. Many sources I cover. And I already given a checklist. Kindly open the checklist. You will come to know what I'm covering here. This is a checklist I given. Open here. What are the sources I'm covering? You will come to know. First, get data, Excel workbook. So click on one. Where is the file? D drive, lab backup, general files for practice, family expenses file, open. I'm opening family expenses file. It will show like this, guys. Tick mark it. See the preview. This is a preview. Now click load. In the down, there is something called load. Click load. Right, sir. So once you bring it, it will open the data pane. This is the data pane, data like this. When you click on it, it will open like this. You can expand and see. This is the data. Not data, structure. But I want to see the data. Then go to table view. This is a table view. And see the information. This is the way it is looking like. So first I clicked on it. So the data came here. But to see that, I clicked on it. Table view, it is showing like this. Okay. But there is some problem here. What is the problem? It is not in proper shape. Why, sir? Date, amount, reason, area, location, column by column available, then it is shape. But some heading available, something not correct. So actually, this is supposed to be the column heading. That means first we need to remove this row. And then make this as column heading. Later, area location like this available, so you cannot analyze properly. So split area and location. Two parts. So where we need to go? Second area. Go to table view, this area first, and click second, transform. To make it proper shape, go to transformation area. It is a separate window system opens up. Separate window. And we call it as a transformation window. 1,000 plus transformations available. Graphical. And whatever you want to do it. And you need to go here, home and this. Apply for save the changes, close for close the window. So whatever you want to do it first, and then click on this. Let me go, guys. This is the query, a table. I want to remove this and make this as heading. So this is a corner, we have information, corner. Remove top row, because first row you want to remove. One you mentioned, click OK. The first row successfully removed. So for every step, in the right hand side, the step increased. And you want to remove it, you want to consider this as column heading. Click on it. Same area. This area only. Use first row as header. Now it is good. Once again, you want me to show right hand side, I will cancel this. I will cancel this. I will cancel. So click on this. Remove top rows. One. Make this as column heading. Click on this. Use first row as header. And this is the one divided into two parts. So right click, split available. What is available? Split. Split by delimiter. And I have two hyphens. Remember, two hyphens available. I want to split. Mention two hyphens. Split column by delimiter, two hyphens. How do we get this window? You want to split this? Right click. Split column by delimiter. Two hyphens you mentioned. Click OK. Now mention here double quote area, double quote location. Now go to close and apply, close and apply. Right, sir. Now if you go to table view, column by column available, properly available. Everyone clear? So 1, 2 completed. Always go to table view. One report you practice, you remember forever. First time if you see SAR is navigating fast. No, you practice once by going through the material. I already given a material here. Practice once, you remember forever. The example PDF. Fine, sir. Now what next? We need to go to third area. This is the third area, click on it. Only one table available, no relationship. And go to fourth area, security. Security also not in our scope, the security. Only one thing, fifth. Fifth area. And what is the fifth area? Visualization. So this we need to work on. So 1 I worked on, 2 I worked on, 3, 4 not worked on, 5. In order to avoid confusion, I will clear it. Now I will go to visualization part. This area. Now what is required? I require some visuals here. You can see this. This is called card visual. Card visual. Card visual. Card visual in Power BI. This for single value. Single value show. These two are called slices. Slicer visual. Manual filter. And this is a bar chart. A comparison. This is a pie chart. Composition. And this is a map visual. What do you call this? Map visual. So I will use now one card visual, which will show single value. one slicer visual, manual visual filter. Just for knowledge, high level only I'm doing it. Bar chart, pie chart, one bubble map. Let me show you. Go to this. First, this is a visualization pane or build pane. Click card visual. So first step is card visual, you click. Second step, field. Click on the field. What do you want? Amount. But sum you require, it is taking sum, no problem. First, second. In case you want to format it, go to format, third one. So 3 steps for every visual. 1, visual, 2, and format. Color, font, and all you want to change, formation. Even here also you have the same options you can do. Field, this and this are same. This and this are same. Advanced options. You can do it here or here, no problem. But we'll go for standard process only. Take the visual, take the field, take the format. Filter is not required. If you want to filter, then required. Now second card visual. What to do? Field level, amount. But sum it is taking, I need average. Then click on this. Summarization level, average. Next, one more card visual. Click on it. What is required? Max. Amount, not sum. Arrow mark. Max. Min required. Click on this card. Field visual. Amount. Sum. See the beauty. No need to write any logic. Click on this arrow mark. Here, these are the aggregations available. I'm selecting minimum. Now, go to this. And format area. Third step only. And this comes under callout value. This comes under category label. I will use for the card visual these two. Plus here, visual border also I will use. What I use? Visual border. 2 things I will use. Let me show guys. First, I will go for visual border, size and style on better border. Next, call out value, this value. Click on it. Bold required, 30 size required. And here the color is blue color. Display unit. Right now, thousands it is showing. I will go for none. None means normal value. Million if you want a million. Billion if you want billion. And none means normal value. This value. So category label, this label. Bold, click on it, this one. 15 size. Okay, I will adjust it properly. The same setting required here. Again, we need to do the same. Go here, go here. But Microsoft recently given a beautiful concept under Home tab, Format Painter available. So go to this Format Painter, select. Format Painter, select. Format Painter, select. Now I will place here minimum amount, average amount, maximum. Okay, total amounts. Now you want filter. I told you slicer. This is slicer visual. Routine. First click the slicer. Second field value. I want year. Date table year. Select year. So date column year. Year is ready, guys. So 1, 2. But format is not good. Then go to format area. It is giving between and. But I'll go for slicer setting. So this visual having these 4 settings. One is formatting. One is header. And one is values. And one is slider. Like this. So very simple. I just go to slicer settings. I don't want like this between. I need list. This is list. If you want a button format, this is a button format. What I will do is I will go for list. I will place it. Now remaining header, I want to take bold blue color. Sorry, this color 20. Values bold blue color 80. Now size and style visual board on. I will take months, copy. See, I'm explaining copy paste. Control C, Control V. But I want month. Go to field area, remove this. Always slicer, field only next. Click on it, date table month. It is showing all the months. But I need only 2 months. In that situation, go to filter area. So I want to filter this, go to filter. What do you want? Months, I don't want. Go to this. July, August only required, I'm selecting July, August. So this is a way filter helpful to take required one. Now if you select 19 values, July, 19 July values, 20 July, 20 August. This is how it will work. Understood everyone? Right. Successfully completed. Next, I need this bar chart. Hardly 5 minutes, guys. I will close. Kindly stay tuned. Bar chart required. Go here. This is a bar chart. Go to this. Y-axis, what do you want to take? This is y-axis, x-axis. Bar level y-axis, I want to take reason. Which reason? X-axis, money amount. Why, sir? Your wish. You can take here reason, here money also, no problem. But I like this, I am taking. See this case. But you are not able to see. Then go to focus mode. Click focus mode. Food, travel, internet, top spending. Petrol, books, entertainment, lowest spending. If you click cursor here, it will show you. That is called tooltip. What do you call it? I did not do any calculation, but system doing it. I just took reason amount. So food, travel, internet. And you can go back from the focus view. I just want only one operation, formation, visual border. Got clarity? Next, pie chart. Click pie, first visual, and then arrangement. Legend level location. Value level amount. Location wise amount. Explore bigger and see. Hyderabad value. Visakhapatnam, 40% business. So 40% spending. Vijayawada, 16% spending. And unknown, 2%. Siddipet, 2%. Like this spending. This is called composition. A different visual. Go back. Visual border on. Ready. Next, map visual. Click on map. Now, location. See, location show you. But you want to control, you go to bubble size. Here, you take amount. See, more value, bigger bubble. Normal value, small bubble. Go to focus mode and see. Wherever more spending, bigger bubble. Wherever normal spending, normal bubble. So these are the locations I travel. In India. Go back. Now if you click 19 locations I travel, 19 locations percentage, 19 spendings, top and bottom. And these are all 19 values. July values. This is called slicing. Even one more concept available. For example, on this location, you clicked on it. Remaining visuals will also change. This is called cross filtering. What do you call it? This is slicer based filtering. This is static filtering. Earlier I filtered it. People not able to see, but something filtered. And this is slicer filtering. And this is cross filtering. So Power BI having multiple filterings like this. That's the reason people enjoying with Power BI visuals. So we created a wonderful, a small report with beautiful filterings. And this, we need to save like this. File menu, save. It's a document. See the extension? PBAX. Word document saved with .docx. Excel document saved with XLSX. PPT saved with PPTX. Now this is Power BI extension. So it's a document, not report. So I will save here, not 6 p.m. batch, 7 p.m. July batch, VinayTech demo report, a small report, PBX save. Already there, no problem, replace it. Successful. But from this, only this is the area we need to share to customers. Only this. Customers do not require the extraction part, transformation part, modeling part. This all he do not require, only this. How do you share? Then we move this to cloud. From cloud we'll share. And we move this to server. From this, customers will access. So the next part is cloud or server. Without this, we never share this. This is only creation application and online videos, whatever you see, it talks about this. But if you want to share to other people, compulsory cloud or on-premises server. Cloud or on-premises server. On-premises server, we need to deploy or we need to move. So this is a way very simply Power BI report will create. So from data, this is a process we implement, create report. Any number of reports you created with the same process. Got clarity? So whatever I plan to give today, successfully completed. Nothing pending from my side. There are two demo classes. First demo, I given this understanding. And second demo, I given a recap followed by Power BI important components, installation, end-to-end flow. One small example with a process. Simple example with a process. From tomorrow, regular classes I will start and with in detail discussion on each and every topic. Very depth in subject. And systematic learning. More case studies. And 2 near real-time projects. This is what I'm going to cover from tomorrow. I have multiple batches. This is the current batch starting from tomorrow. Sir, what do you recommend? 1 second, madam. What do you recommend to learn and try in the market? Power BI plus SQL is good enough. You want to add more Power BI as not compulsory, just for more experienced people. SQL ADF you learn or Synapse you learn. Some people learning MSBA and couple of other purely their interest. But as Power BI SQL 90% opportunities, so learn strongly this part. I will take SQL 4 hours. That is not sufficient. So learn a whole course and prioritize 9 topics. I will tell you what are the 9 topics you need to focus. And 2 months the duration, daily 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours. And you will get daily videos after the session, whether you're online resource or offline resource, no matter, with 1.5 ease of access. So slowly you can practice. After completing this course, you will be in a position to work on this and you can try for these opportunities. Anybody can learn, It's a low code component. I request everyone kindly open today's video and material, complete the practice. Okay. So yeah, you need to download based on the process, download the software, install it, follow the document and video, practice it. Okay,
May
guys.
I ask? I have a
Right.
question.
Go in, madam. So I'm done with the demo part, and who all joined late, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number to get demo videos and documents. And also, this is my contact number in case you want to talk to me about your personal profile, career guidance, or anything. Don't hesitate to talk to me. And also, don't miss to practice. Thank you. I'm stopping it. Now you can take your mic and ask your question.